Hey guys, Gabe Keeley here with my second YouTube video, and today it's kind of an intense second YouTube video. So I'm gonna be spray painting. I can't talk today apparently. My old bike. That's my new one. I'm gonna be painting my old bike. Like a light blue, sky blue, probably, and a white. So it's probably gonna be like multiple series, maybe, or rather episodes of this. Sorry, I just ate dinner. Whether like probably 3 episodes, and here's episode 1, I guess. Last I'm gonna be using are today I'll be using sandpaper and Windex and like a blow dryer because I don't have a heat gun at my house to take off the stickers. So that's what today is going to be for. Sanding rust and taking off stickers. Yeah. Alright, so I switched out my newest bike stand, I guess you would call it, is too big for this one, so this one's a little off balance, but I'm gonna work with that, except I'm gonna move that to the middle, and then I put my new bike over here. I'm just gonna call that the SE, and that the BMX, and then my mountain bike the mountain bike. But I put it over here because I don't want to get any potential stuff or objects coming off this bike onto that bike. Whole handlebars. I might even take it off and do underneath here and see if that's rusty or not. And also, I removed the brakes on my bike. I don't know if that's a good or bad idea. I did that a while ago though. So that was still left there. I couldn't get that off. I'm gonna try to get that off today. So that's an added goal in here, and I'm gonna do, I guess, a montage or a time lapse of me doing this. So yeah. I'm taking a shower tonight, but I made a lot of progress really quickly. It's pretty good so far, besides my hand. I did not expect this to take this long, because when I'm trying to film with my uncomfortable hand, I don't know what you call it, because I can't film with that, and I don't know how to get all the way in there and here, but this is turning out good so far. I got the rust off. I'm gonna just have to go with it and figure it out on the way. I have got the corners down. I'm able to do that, but I'm gonna take the grips off now. Try to clean this up, and I'm just going to take off the whole handlebar. And I think I might want to change my shirt. Whoa, what am I doing? I think I might want to change my shirt to a darker colored shirt and an older shirt, because I don't want my shirt looking like that. Like that. Alright, yeah. So I got the whole metal bar done. I think it turned out pretty good. I'm gonna move on to the bottom piece now. Then my least favorite part, because they're so clean and they look brand new, where the grips were. And then I will be buying a brand new pair of, a cool pair of grips. That's gonna go right here. And then the handlebar's done. But I don't know if I'll get to the stickers tonight because I didn't realize how long this was gonna take. Yeah, let's get back to the time lapse. So I finished basically this whole side. I just gotta do some little touch-ups. But I'm gonna stop the time lapse and the music and all of that. And I'm just gonna finish this, and I'll check in with you guys when I finish this. And then we'll go from there. Here's progress. Halfway. Didn't finish that side because I need to. As long as it's smooth. Woo! Forgot I can't touch it. Do the thumbnail. That's a good angle. Boom. Thumbnail. So I forgot to show you what the bike looked like last night because I just forgot to film an outro and everything. So I'm gonna end the video here and then make a new video of what I'm gonna do on day 2. So this is what happened after I stopped filming. My dad tried to take off the stickers. This sticker came off good, but this one didn't. That one didn't. That one didn't. Oh, this one did, but like there's still a lot of sticky stuff. The forks did, and the back did. But today, what am I saying? But I did finish the handlebars. I just decided not to do. Hold on. I just decided not to do the handlebars because they're already smooth and what's the point of wasting time on them? But I did sand the edges to make them smooth and everything. But other than that, I got the whole thing done. I'm very proud of myself. And then either in episode 3, which is either going to be later today or tomorrow, I'm hoping later today, as long as I have everything done, that we could start painting. And then that's just gonna be the final episode. But these, I can't get these off. I'm just gonna paint over them. Just gonna leave them on. But, so yeah. Watch the next video. Watch the next video. That would be episode 2 or day 2, whatever I title it. So yeah, see you next episode.